guys, it's Samantha from the Gabsters slime shop. This is just kind of a test video. I just wanted to see, how many people we can maybe get subscribed to the channel, because I'm gonna be like posting videos on our slimes. I'm gonna be posting like some DIY type stuff to teach you guys some things. I just thought it'd be a fun thing to do. If I have the time to do it, I would love to. But I wanted to do this video as just a little test video. But I wanted to also take this opportunity to show our new pizza slime kit that's available on our Etsy shop. I will link our shop in the description box down below. So if you're interested in this slime or any of our other slimes, you're more than welcome to go there, check it out, and buy something if you would like to. Right now, if you use the coupon code Stay Healthy, you will get 25% off your entire order. That is good until May 31st, but I might be extending that a little longer. But for right now, it is till May 31st. So this is the kit. This is the deluxe kit. It comes with everything you see here. It is $25 minus whatever sale we're having. So $25 minus 15% off or 25% off. Just whatever's going on at the moment. Plus shipping if you don't add anything else to the order and get to that $35 free ship promo. There are two other price options. There's a deluxe pepperoni lovers kit, which basically the difference between the two is that the add-ins, you're just getting like pepperoni stuff. And then there's a standard pepperoni lovers kit, and the difference between that and the other one is the dough will come in a 2-ounce instead of a 4-ounce. So there's just one size difference on that. I'm gonna go through each slime and kind of show you the textures and how to put this pizza together. So the first one is a 4-ounce container of pizza dough. It is a cloud dough slime. It is scented like fresh baked bread. I really wanted to get a pizza scent for this, but I bought one. It smelled terrible, and I couldn't find any other like pizza scents or pizza dough scents. So if anybody has any suggestions on maybe where to get a pizza realistic scent that does smell good, please let me know in the comments. So like I said, this is a cloud dough texture. It's just so nice, and it comes in a 4-ounce in the deluxe kit. The next slime in this kit is a 2-ounce container of the cheese. This is a sleigh slime. And then lastly, you get a 2-ounce container of sauce, which is a jelly slime. You also get a small pizza box with the toppings, clay pepperoni pieces, and some little pizza goodies. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the plastic piece out of the box, and you're going to roll a small piece of the dough into a ball and smash it with a flat object. And I also took a little small piece of the dough again, and I rolled it to line the circle piece for crust. And then you're going to take a real small piece of the sauce, and then you're going to spread it all on top of the pizza dough. And then you're going to do the same thing with your cheese sauce and spread it all over the top of the sauce. And then you add your creped pepperonis and your toppings. And I put the pizza back in the box just so that it was really cute. And this is what you should get after you put it all together. You have a ton of slime left over, so I'm going to show you what we do next after we mix this small pizza together. You even get a little pizza charm with it, and I think it just adds such a nice touch to this kit. So what I did is I made an even smaller crust, and I added the rest of my toppings, and I just kind of layered the rest of the slime in the tall jar and put the pizza on top. And it made such a cute slime. Just look how adorable that is. So that's it. That's the kit. I love this kit. I think it is so cute, and I think you can have so many possibilities with it. The point of the slime is to build it your way, but we do include instructions on how to put it together and all that stuff. But you can do it any way you want. There's no right or wrong way to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to click like and subscribe. And like I said, this is just a test video. The next video I want to do a video of our best sellers and show how they're made. It's going to be a video inspired by Mush Slime. She has done some videos where she shows her top sellers, and she just takes the base of the slime that's not colored, and she shows how she colors them and decorates them and all that stuff. So I thought that'd be a really fun video, and I love her videos that she has done by that. So that'll be the next one, and Gabby will also be making appearances on this channel with me. We're still going to be very active on Gabby's Fun channel. I just kind of wanted to make a channel just for the shop and show you different ways that we do things and teach you guys some of the really important tips and tricks that I feel like some of the tutorials on YouTube doesn't show you. I've pretty much had to teach myself how to do certain textures or make clay pieces, and I want to use this channel as a learning tool for anybody that loves slime like we do. And there's going to be a lot of like behind the scenes stuff for the shop. We're going to do some vlogs, stuff like that. Our shop is really growing and it's very exciting. I never thought in a million years we'd be at the sales that we are at. I never thought we would grow this much. So it's very exciting, and I want to, you know, grow more, do more, get more things out there. I'm just really excited about all this, and I hope I have the time. I mean, I work full time and do the shop, do the channel. It's a lot on the plate, so a second channel, I'm hoping that it doesn't go to the side like kind of Gabby's channel has because of the shop, but I think because I make the slime so much, I can just hit the record button and do like quick videos, stuff like that. Subscribe down below, click on your notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.